Hey, I'm Carl from Abt, and in this video I'm going to be giving you a closer look at the 2023 LG QNED75 Series, so stick around. The QNED75 replaces the former Nano 75 series and is the starting point for LG's QNED TVs for 2023. The design stays pretty similar to the Nano 75, but you might notice they slimmed it down a little bit from front to back. The bezel isn't the most streamlined on the market, but definitely not big enough to be a distraction, and the pedestal consists of 2 feet that are set out closer towards the edges of the screen and keep the TV nice and stable. It's available in 43, 50, 55, 65, and 75 inches, and retail prices start at $497 and go up to about $1,300, although if you want to hear about our current pricing and any promotions we can't advertise online, be sure to contact one of our home theater specialists by phone or at the link down in the description. Connections on the QNED75 include 2 USB ports, 4 HDMIs with number 2 having an enhanced audio return channel, an antenna connection, Ethernet, and an optical audio output. Plus, you get Bluetooth 5.0 that you can use to connect accessories like wireless headphones, surround speakers, or a keyboard, and Wi-Fi 5 that supports a wide range of smart features, which I will talk about more in just a moment. The QNED75 uses LG's WebOS 23 for the operating system, which is simple to navigate with the supplied Magic Remote. Press the Home button and you'll see a row of tabs that are basically shortcuts to different features like Home Office for productivity, Gaming where you can access cloud gaming services like Utomic and NVIDIA GeForce Now, Music, which is pretty self-explanatory, and Home Hub where you can see all the different devices that you have connected to the TV. It supports features like Amazon Alexa, Apple Home, and AirPlay 2. It's got a built-in web browser, there's an app store with a pretty wide selection of apps to choose from, Sports Alert, which lets you know in real time when your favorite team scores even when you're watching something other than the game, and my favorite, LG Channels, which is a huge collection of free streaming TV channels. It's a great way to find extra content to watch, especially if you're a cord cutter. As far as audio goes, the QNED75 comes with a 2-channel system driven by 20 watts of power with Clear Voice Pro and LG's AI Sound Pro technology that provides a virtual 5.1.2 channel experience. It's not going to shake the room, but dialogue comes through clearly, and it's good enough to enjoy what you're watching if you're not overly particular about your TV's audio. Now with that said, adding a decent soundbar would do a lot to enhance the home theater experience, and LG has some really good models available that pair up nicely with this one. I'll put some links to those down in the description too. Then we have the picture. This uses a 60 Hz panel, which is the same as the Nano 75 it's replacing, but it gets a couple updates that make it stand out over its predecessor, starting with the processor. This one has the A5 AI processor Gen 6 driving the picture to go along with the addition of QNED Color, which when you put them together provides more accurate colors, richer black levels, and better brightness. It supports HDR10 and HLG to give you decent highlights and shadow details, although it's important to note this series doesn't support Dolby Vision, which is something to keep in mind if that's a priority for you. It also has several picture preset modes to choose from, including Filmmaker mode, or you can make adjustments yourself within the picture menu if you want to customize the picture a little more to your liking. Motion handling on the QNED75 is good, and so are the viewing angles, which make this a really good option for anyone looking for a budget big screen to watch games and action movies on. And for any casual gamers out there, this one is going to do a really nice job. It doesn't have the next-gen features like variable refresh rates or 4K 120 Hz support, but if you're not playing games that use those features, it won't really matter. You do still get LG's Game Optimizer menu, which lets you cater the processing to the genre of the game you're playing, or you can change some individual settings as well to help improve gameplay. So, like I said, for a casual gamer that isn't kind of looking to spend a lot, this is going to be a good option to consider. Overall, this is going to be a really good TV option for sports fans, casual gamers, or movie watchers looking for a budget-friendly big screen TV option that has wide viewing angles, good motion handling, and accurate color quality. If you want to learn more about the QNED75 or you need any assistance picking out the right TV for your home theater, be sure to contact our home theater experts right here at Abt. We're always happy to help. If you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on all of our latest products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.